Today, you want pizza and walk into your favorite pizzeria. Last year, your favorite slice cost $2. Today, it's $3. Same pizza, same dough, same cheese, same pepperoni, but more money? How it's possible? That's called inflation. Inflation means prices go up. And your money now buys less pizza. Why? Let's say the government prints more money and decided to share it out to pizza lovers. Now you and the rest have more cash. And yes, you all want a pizza. You rush to order extra large pepperoni at the pizzeria. Now the pizzeria has a problem. Everyone wants more pizza, but they don't have as many ingredients. Dough runs low. Cheese stocks are down. Ovens are full. And Tony, the pizzaiolo, looks stressed. More pizza-hungry customers, but same number of pizzas? Tony decides to raise prices as demand for his pizzas exceeds his supply capacity. That's called demand pull inflation. But what if the price of mozzarella shoots up? Or wheat prices rise because of a global shortage? Now it costs more to Tony to make every slice. If it costs more to make a pizza, prices go up again. Because the pizzeria can't just eat those costs and still be profitable. Suddenly your $18 pizza becomes $20. That is cost push inflation. Now imagine the pizza workers want a raise. They deserve it. Making good pizza is hard, and Tony knows it. But higher wages mean higher costs, and to remain profitable, prices must be raised again. This can start a cycle. Wages go up, prices of pizza go up, wages go up again. That's a wage price spiral. Once you have reached this point, you may think that inflation is a bad thing. But you should know that some inflation is normal and needed. A slice getting 10 cents more expensive each year? Fine. That shows the economy is growing. And it gives Tony, the pizzaiolo, a reason to expand his restaurant, hire more staff, and invest in a second oven. For what? Yes, for making more pizzas and more money. This way his business will grow and so will the economy. But too much inflation? That's when things get dangerous. In Venezuela, for example, inflation got so bad that prices doubled in days. In 2018, the inflation rate there hit over 1 million %. Imagine your favorite pizza costing $5 today and $5,000 next month. People stopped trusting money. They started trading goods directly, like flour for cheese. Pizzerias removed prices from their menus because they changed every hour. That's called hyperinflation. But how do we track inflation? We have the CPI, the Consumer Pizza Index. Price Index. It's basically a shopping cart of common items: rent, gas, coffee, and yes, pizza. If the total price of the cart goes up, we say inflation is rising. That's why inflation matters. Now, here's the big point. If your salary doesn't rise as fast as prices, you're losing buying power. Even if you earn more dollars, those dollars buy less pizza. That's why inflation matters. Inflation is sneaky. It creeps up while you're enjoying your slice. So next time the menu changes and your usual slice costs more, you'll know why. Subscribe to this channel. Like this video if you found it helpful, and stay hungry for the next video.